Hi guys, it's Teresa from Teas Toppers. I wanted to just pop on today and just do a quick video on packaging. I think if you're a handmade seller like me, you'll know that your packaging is almost as important as your products. Okay, so I think it's really important to always provide a professional feel to when you are packaging up an order for somebody. And this is kind of just what I do when I package up my orders. Okay, I usually use the brown paper so that I can put my order inside of it nicely. Okay, and then I always include one of my business cards. And I personally make these handmade thank you tags and I add them to the outside of every one of my orders. And if you just give me a minute, I'll wrap this up and show you how it looks when it's all finished. So here is my order and it's packaged up nicely. And now I'm going to use some yarn and my thank you tag on the outside to give it a more completed look. So here you go. This is now my completed package that's going to go out. Doesn't it look so pretty? I would love to be receiving something that looked like this in the mail or from somebody that I ordered something from. And it's always nice to include a handwritten thank you note as well, because I think it just shows that you're a person and that you actually care about your clients and your customers. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and maybe you already do something very similar. See you guys next time. Bye.